English language conventions, verb tense, irregular past tense, ACT Foundations, question 37. Me Medicine, Antidote Your Ignorance. ACT English Foundation, verb tense, question 37. Complete the sentence with the verb in the past tense. Miss Ellison blank handmade dolls at the fair. Here's what I need you to understand. Most verbs are regular in the past tense. That means you follow a rule like add ed or add d to get the past tense form of the verb. Some verbs are irregular in the past tense. That means you don't follow a rule. Instead, you must remember the past tense form of the verb. Check out this example. Jacob lost his keys. Lost is the irregular past tense form of the verb lose. This is a correct shift, and the overall sentence is formatted correctly. All right, back to our original question, and now for the solution. The task here was to shift the tense of sell to its simple past tense verb form. Sold is the answer. This is the past tense verb form of sell, but it's irregular, so you'll have to commit it to memory.